This might be one of my favorite red envelope designs so far. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have several appointments with my essay. I'll be sharing with you my shopping vlog. I'll be picking up some red envelopes from my favorite fashion houses like Hermès, Tiffany & Co, Van Cleef, Cartier, hopefully. And then Bulgari has an event today and I got an invite from my essay, so it's a new essay, so I'll be meeting him. So it's a new essay for me because my old essay, she moved to Van Cleef and now she's my new essay at Van Cleef because my old essay from Van Cleef left, so she's gonna be my new essay. She's my former Bulgari essay and my new Bulgari essay, so I'll be meeting him today and hopefully I'll get something from Bulgari, so I don't know. And then I also got a text message from Guerlain. It's a new brand for me, but I visited them I think a month ago, 2 weeks ago. I told them I'm interested in these products, but at that time it was not available. That's why this essay texted me and he said it's available now, so I can go pick it up. So I'll be going to Guerlain and of course I'll be sharing my vlog. Okay, anyway, so stay tuned. Okay, this is my outfit for today. I'm wearing my new Tiffany hardware necklace with my earrings. My bag is Chanel Jumbo with my Labubu. Alright, so see you later. So I got a text from my essay saying that the 2026 Lunar New Year red envelopes are finally ready for pickup. I've been seeing them all over Instagram and I'm so excited for this year's design because 2026 is the year of the horse, and if you know Hermes, you know horses are everything to the brand. Saddles, equestrian, heritage, craftsmanship. So this theme resonates so beautifully with Hermes. It just feels extra special this year. So of course I had to come into the store and pick it up. Okay, quick fit check before I go shopping. Boots are from Vivaya. They're super comfortable and perfect for shopping days. I have a discount code for you guys. It's MMS10 for 10% off. Link is in the description box below. I love a comfortable luxury shopping moment. So I actually only planned to get a few beauty items today, a lip liner, an eye pencil, and the silky blush powder refill. But then I saw the cutest heart-shaped gift box, and you guys already know I'm a big fan of anything heart-shaped. If it's heart-shaped, I'm sold, especially with Valentine's Day coming up. Right now, you can get the heart-shaped box with any 2 to 3 fragrance or beauty purchases that fit inside. So of course, I had to get one. I'll show you everything in the unboxing part of this video and I'll also share the prices. So stay tuned because after Hermes, I also picked up a few things from Tiffany & Co, Van Cleef, Guerlain, Ami Paris, and more. So that's my luxury shopping day today. Okay guys, now I'm home and it's time for the unboxing haul. Let's start with the heart-shaped box. This is super cute, but I'm saving this for last. So the moment I was waiting for is the 2026 Lunar New Year red envelopes. This year is the year of the horse, which makes it even more meaningful because Hermes is so deeply rooted in equestrian heritage. saddles, craftsmanship, and of course, their iconic horse motif. So this theme feels perfectly aligned with the brand's DNA. The envelopes come in a set of 10 pieces, and they are made from this really beautiful, thick premium paper. They feel substantial and luxurious in hand, not flimsy at all. What I love most about this year's design is that it has this origami inspired aesthetic featuring a beautiful illustrated horse motif. The horse artwork almost looks folded and sculptural, like paper art, very refined and very Hermès. It's festive, but still elegant and understated, not overly loud, not overly flashy, just very chic. Hermes always puts so much thought into their Lunar New Year pieces, and you can really see the artistry in this one. The detailing feels collectible. Honestly, this might be one of my favorite red envelope designs so far, especially because it celebrates the horse in such a sophisticated way. Now onto the makeup goodies. I got three items from the makeup line. So the first one is the lip pencil, which is beige. It's priced at 53. This is such a wearable nude shade, perfect everyday color. Hermes lip liners are creamy but still precise, so I'm excited to pair this with my other lipsticks. And then the second one is the eye pencil in Noir Fusain. The price is also $53. I love a good black liner. This one is supposed to be very smooth and long wearing, perfect for soft glam or a more defined evening look. And now the third one is the Silky Blush Powder. It's supposed to be the refill. I think my essay made a mistake. She gave me the full size blush powder. It's not the refill. That's why on the receipt it's $89. But I got the full powder, not the refill, which is fine, which is the 37 Rose Poivre. This shade is such a beautiful rosy tone with a little warmth. Hermes blushes are so finely milled. They give that soft, elegant flush, very Parisian chic. And now the cutest part. Look at this heart-shaped box. Tell me this is not the most adorable packaging ever. Perfect timing for Valentine season. So, to get this box, you need 2 to 3 fragrance or beauty items that fit inside. So, here's what I chose. a ℉ perfume body cream, and a Tuile de Hermès eau de parfum. Okay, so let's start with the ℉ perfume body cream. This is the box. It's priced at $172. The body cream is super luxurious and perfect for layering. The notes are butterfly lily, miracle berry, oak wood, intense patchouli. This scent is sophisticated and warm, slightly woody but still elegant. The body cream is super luxurious and perfect for layering. And this one is the Tuile de Hermès Eau de Parfum. It's priced at $175. The notes are candied ginger, tuberose, and sandalwood. Tuile is floral and spicy with a playful edge. I actually already own the other three Tuile fragrances in my collection, including the hair mist and the lotion. This is the only one I was missing, but I haven't decided yet. Should I keep it or gift it? So that is everything for today's video. Let me know what you guys think about my shopping at Hermes, the unboxing, the red envelopes, and what's your favorite in my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this shopping vlog and unboxing haul. I can't wait to share more unboxings with you soon. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And if you'd like to support my channel, you can always send me a super thanks. I truly appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye guys!